This goal that we started 4.5 months ago is finally turning into a reality.
I've done a lot of adventures. This is the hardest thing I've ever done.
It's I'll be emotional, that's for sure, because it's my dream. So I don't know. It's amazing.
I think right now I feel like I've been suppressing a lot of emotions sort of throughout the trail, just to give myself the ability to keep going when it gets hard.
My body and my brain are ready for this to be done, but I don't think my heart is ready for this to be done.
Man is born to die. His works are short-lived. Buildings crumble, monuments decay, wealth vanishes, but Katahdin, in all its glory, forever shall remain the mountain of the people of Maine.
Good morning. This is day 141 and we're going to Katahdin. Yeah, this is the final day on the AT and we're very excited. It's very early. We're excited to get going and get warmed up. We're going up Katahdin.
Yeah. Let's do this!
Steep.
We don't need it anymore.
Yeah, we're on our hands and knees for the rest. Going up this pile of rocks. We just came up through this massive jumble of rocks. Yeah. Epic. Officially on the Katahdin's tableland. Now just the final trek to the summit. right there. Right there.
When the wind is blowing strong and the nights a little colder, when you're tired of walking on with the smoke still in the sky, when all the noise from your day tries to crowd out all your peace, let my voice sweep you away as you're drifting off to sleep. And I say love, I'll be your lullaby. And I say love, I'll be your lullaby.
It's almost impossible to sum up how I'm feeling right here in this moment. The joy, the exhaustion, the sadness that it's over, but also the relief that it's over. The energy and camaraderie on this summit will never be truly captured in video, but the feelings will live with me forever.
Wherever you are, and I say love, I'll be your lullaby. And I say love, I'll be your lullaby. And I sing love, so baby you can close your eyes. I say love.
We won't celebrate too much here because the hardest part is yet to come, the descent. There are multiple routes down Katahdin and we decided to go out with a bang and finish with the knife edge route. A strenuous, narrow and exposed ridge on Mount Katahdin, often described as one of the most challenging and spectacular hikes in the United States. Often only about 3 foot wide and with a huge drop off to each side, it isn't one for the faint-hearted, but whoa was it worth it.
To the sweetest dreams.
This is so cool. Knife edge. Just straddling my way up this 200-foot drop. On either side. It's a bit spooky. Just come down from Katahdin on the knife edge, which was pretty crazy. How are you feeling?
Exhausted and relieved and just full of just accomplishment. And I'm glad that with this through hike I have no asterisk on it. Just from start to finish, checked it off. No snow like
No
flopping
clothes.
around snow and fire closures and whatever, like way different than the PCT. It felt like I actually just walked from one mountain in Georgia to another mountain in Maine.
Here we are. Cheers to that. How you feeling, Woody? Did you enjoy it? Just laughing.
Yeah, I feel pretty good.
Yeah.
I feel pretty damn good.
Great day over there.
So good.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Did you like the knife edge?
Yeah, it was emotional.
It was
Tried a
emotional.
lot. It was beautiful. Yeah, it was amazing. Still, the feeling is kind of, a little bit sad because it's over. I don't want to think like too much right now, but yeah, it's done.
In the bag.
It's awesome. It was
Yeah.
awesome. It was an awesome day. The
It
trail
was.
nice. Night edge was awesome. Yeah. Awesome.
It was really nice to celebrate at the top with lots of familiar faces. But it was very mixed emotions. I cried a lot. Although the first part just felt like the normal AT, and then as we got up onto the tablelands and we could see the sign, I just started bawling going up there. But it was amazing. And I guess that's the end of this episode. I don't know where to go from here. What do we do when we're not walking 20 miles a day?
That's the end of this whole
Cheers.
series.
Yeah.
It smell. What? Is it smelly?
No, I can. This must be a pretty bad smell for
Yeah.
you.
it's
Foresting.
And just like that, after 141 days, 2,198.5 miles, our Appalachian Trail experience has come to an end. No rain, no pain, no main, they say, and it's safe to say that we experience all these in large quantities. The AT has been the most difficult adventure of my life. It challenged me mentally and physically in every possible way, but despite the challenges, it has been one of the best experiences of my life. Thank you to Toe Tag, aka Jordan, the love of my life. Thank you for your patience, strength, your love and support, and for helping me put my umbrella away every 5 minutes. There's no one I'd rather be a stinky thru hiker with. And thank you to all the friends we met along the way. A special mention to Great Day, who stuck with us for 1,900 miles. You'll never quite know how much we appreciated your infectious positivity and kindness, although I will forever be baffled by how many days you'll go without taking a 0. Your passion and commitment to the trail was truly inspiring. And to Angler, who hiked with us for hundreds of miles. Thank you for your friendship, your kindness, and for keeping us entertained. It was great to hike alongside you for so long. And to Vortex, my buddy from the PCT. Although our paths didn't cross on the AT as much as we hoped, it was a blast when they did, and it's always a joy to hike with you. And to my parents, for their continuous support, their love, and for understanding why I felt the need to do a second thru hike. And to everyone else on trail that made Class of 2025 what it was, thank you. This trail would not be possible without the amazing network of trail volunteers, maintainers, and trail angels. And to you, thank you for coming along in this adventure by watching my videos and all your supportive comments. I truly appreciate them. The Appalachian Trail, you tested me in every way, and although everything hurts right now, thank you for giving me memories to last a lifetime and for leading me to Katahdin, one of the most beautiful mountains I've ever seen.